Hiya champions, welcome back. So I'm back again with another unboxing video. Recently I took a look at a MICRODIA travel adapter and I was pretty impressed considering it's the first time I'd come across these products. I decided to get another one. So I went online, microdia.com, picked this up. Yeah, I haven't used it yet. I have done a bit of research, but let's take a look. Okay, let's see what we got here. Please excuse me, I have hard, strong man nails, and I don't need no knife. Oh, wow. I've just jumped straight into this, and I was pretty eager to get it out of the box, I won't lie. So it's the SNAPPower Razer Magnetic Wireless Power Bank, 500 milliamp hours. It says 35-watt ultra-fast charging. However, that does seem to be 15 watts of wireless and 20 watts of USB-C output. Okay, so it does say that your 20 watts plus 15 in total, 35 watts. Made for iPhone MagSafe wireless charging. Well, that's cool. So it's made for iPhone certified. It says founded in 1991, San Jose, USA. So this more really nice packaging from them. QI certified, magnetic charging. And yeah, just really premium feel. I'm not sure if you can see the shine on that. Very nice packaging. It says it measures only 8 millimeters thin and is made from CNC cut aluminium. Okay. And yeah, as I said, made for iPhone MagSafe. So if you have an iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12, obviously now we have the 16 as well, it will work. The MagSafe will work. Cool. So let's take a look at the actual device. Over there we have, what's this? Okay, so they've given us a C2C cable. Ooh, I need to test this and see if it's any better than my old trusty tow rope that I use. Okay, thanks for that. And oh, that looks good. Oh, no, not coming out. Where are you? Ah, there it is. All right, so it actually clicks into the plastic. User manual. They do nice little user manuals. Second one I've seen. Very nice. Got all the same stuff on there. Thank you for choosing MICRODIA. So they're quite polite as well. I really like that. 24-month original manufacturer warranty. 2-year warranty on a battery pack. That's impressive. I'm assuming they have confidence in their products. Good, good. Okay, so here we have it. It's small. I mean, isn't that cool? Hey, look at that. It's thin. I don't have my vernier or my calipers on me, but if I did, I would. I mean, yeah, I could say that 8 millimeters. That definitely looks less than a centimeter. So, okay. And yeah, aluminium. Got some status lights on the back here. You can see the MagSafe charging area. It's got the same information written on the body as well. What I did see online and what's not actually in the packaging is apparently this thing has a lithium polymer battery, which is often well, sort of unheard of in terms of wireless battery packs, just due to the fact that they're expensive. So it's got some good stuff in here already. And like the previous MICRODIA product, it says powered by smart AI. And I've learned along the way so far that this is their own proprietary technology. They have chips in here that have been trained on AI algorithms, and they just manage your charging perfectly. Protects the device, protects your device, your phone, as well as stops like things from overheating and that kind of stuff. So that's really cool. I guess all we have to do now is turn it on. Oh, okay, there we go. There's a little button. Did it go on? Hey, and it's full. Came out the box full. 4 white lights and a orange flashing. Well, it's not flashing, but it went an orange status light. And you can see the USB-C out over there. It says PD 20 watts. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use my own cable. Okay. Actually, no, wait. Let's do the right thing. I'm going to use the cable they sent me. It's not as heavy as mine, but it feels nice, good quality. Is that a meter? I don't know. Anyway, let's plug it in here. Stick that in there like that. Then I'm going to plug that into the back of my voltmeter. And where's the trusty iPhone? There it is. Always, I swear to God, this phone is always charged to the same percentage every time I use it. Yep. Oh well. Okay. And okay. So what's it doing? What's it doing? Not much. So up to 5 volts, 1.5, 1.6, 1.8, 2 amps, 9, Okay, so it's giving me the same. It seems as though the iPhone is the one that's actually controlling the charging power, but all right. Quick, right off the bat, it's doing what it's supposed to do, and that's the most important part. Okay, I'll just go ahead and plug that right away. What I'm actually quite keen to look at, oh, oh, when you unplug it, it seems to go off automatically. That's a cool thing as well. I have had some battery packs in the past that they'll stay on or keep flashing and drain themselves and all of that, and that's not the one you want. So I'm going to take a look and see. Yeah, this is my MagSafe case. Does it go on? Hey, that's nice. Wow, that's nice. That's nice. Through the case. Strong magnetic connection through the case. And we're charging. This is great. This is awesome. Wow, this is probably the best purchase I've made in a while. Oh, wow. Look at that. Hey, that's a grip. That's a grip. Yeah, I like that. Okay, thanks, iPhone. Put you down. All right. Okay, so when you disconnect the MagSafe, it stays on. But let's see. Push once, nothing. 1, 2, 3, nothing. 1, 2. Oh, 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 that seemed to have worked. 1 on, 1, 2, off. All right, 1 on, 1, 2, off. This is super, super cool. I would absolutely recommend getting yourself one of these MICRODIA SNAPPower Razer magnetic wireless power bank 500 milliamp hour. Geez, they really do like their long names. What a mouthful. But in this case, very, very worth it. Yeah, and that's it from me today, guys. Appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe, do all the good things, and I'll see you soon.